Hello everyone, I'm Sarika, your host for today's episode of Here and Now. Welcome to our 165th episode, where we bring to you all the significant updates of the insurance world. So let's deep dive into the latest news from the insurance industry. The first story of the day talks about the another expansion move of the Bajaj Alliance General Insurance. Our company proudly inaugurated a cutting-edge office in Ongole, Andhra Pradesh. The new office opening is strategically positioned to extend the reach of the insurance services in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. This move underscores Bajaj Alliance's dedication to reaching diverse communities by introducing innovative insurance products and solutions. The incorporation of technology promises a smooth and efficient customer experience, bridging the gap between insurance awareness and accessibility. In our next story, covered by the Economic Times, states that IRDAI has approved Policy Bazaar to enhance its license to a composite insurance broker. PB Fintech said that insurance regulator IRDAI has granted in principle approval to its wholly owned subsidiary Policy Bazaar Insurance Brokers to upgrade its license from a direct insurance broker, life and general, to a composite insurance broker. The upgradation of the license will allow Policy Bazaar to undertake services such as risk management, selling reinsurance products, and maintaining claims data. In continuation, another story from the Economic Times discusses trends related to buying health insurance. According to recent health insurance trends, 70% of people purchase health insurance primarily for the benefit of cashless claim. This means that getting medical expenses covered without upfront payment is the main motivation, while the other reasons are safeguarding, saving, and dealing with rising medical costs. Additionally, the study says that 30% of people buy health insurance mainly for tax benefits, mentioning tax exemptions or tax rebates as a top reason. Over 60% of the respondents turn to friends, family, and bank relationship managers for information on how to save on tax through the health insurance. Moving on, the story from Dainik Bhaskar sheds light on critical illness insurance policy. It's crucial to have both comprehensive health insurance and critical illness coverage. Even for low hospital bills, comprehensive health insurance provides full coverage. Critical illness cover, on the other hand, gives a lump sum payment if you are diagnosed with a serious illness listed in the policy, regardless of hospitalization. For example, if you have a policy of Rs 10 lakh and are diagnosed with a critical illness like cancer, you will receive a Rs 10 lakh even without being admitted to the hospital. This amount can be used as needed. Critical illness coverage can be added to your regular health insurance or purchased as a standalone policy. The next news from BNN talks about the reconstitution of the expert committee by IRDAI for Indian Accounting Standards or INDAS and International Financial Reporting Standards or IFRS implementation. The significant move demonstrates the regulatory body's dedication to improving transparency, adherence to standards, and safeguarding policyholders in an industry crucial for the financial stability and security of millions. By aligning with INDAS and IFRS, the sector is set to enhance its operational transparency, financial discipline, and international competitiveness. This move also signals a broader ambition within the Indian financial landscape, not just participating in but leading and shaping the global discourse on financial reporting and regulatory standards. The success of this initiative will not only mark a significant milestone in the Indian insurance sector's evolution but will also serve as a blueprint for the other sectors navigating their transition to global accounting and reporting standards. Wrapping up, the last story from the Hindu business line talks about the tie-up between a mental health hospital chain and private insurance firms Sukoon Health. A mental health hospital chain has collaborated with 5 private insurance companies to provide cashless insurance coverage for patients seeking psychiatric inpatient care. The hospital was able to formalize collaborations that would improve access to mental health treatments and reduce the financial burden on those seeking care. The mental health conditions usually covered in the insurance plans include bipolar disorder, acute depression, mood disorder, psychotic disorder, OCD, and hyperactivity disorder. As is the case with most health insurance policies, here too individuals would have to be admitted for 24 hours to get coverage. The tie-up will help improve access to mental health care and make it affordable to every individual in need. And with that, we wrap up today's episode. We hope you found these news stories informative and insightful. Our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until next time, take care, goodbye, have a wonderful week ahead.